Good day once more, people. This is your boy Eduardo Agbo and welcome to my latest tutorial. On today's tutorial, we are going to see how to create an oven rack frame from solidworks. So please stay tuned, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. To do this, we are going to use 3D sketch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go following the x-axis, y again x. So tap block to change, follow the z-axis. So twice tap block, follow the x, follow the y, and finally the x-axis. So now I'm going to use smart dimension to give the dimensions here. So this is going to be 220. So 220, I think 220 is okay. Now over here is going to be, let's say, 135. 135, let's say. So let's say to make it go well, so what you're going to do is this. You're going to make this 15. Same here, 15. Same here, we're going to make this 15. And upper here, we're going to do this and make this 15. So now what's left is this, which we are going to call so cancel. So we're going to just click here to modify this distance here, which we're going to put it at 220. So 220, I think 220 is okay. So we're going to reduce this. So same here, we are going to put this at 220. So don't forget the unit is millimeters. Now we are going to use what we call the fillet, but we're going to fillet this at 5 millimeters. So now click on each edge. So we're going to take this edge, this edge, this edge. So click on this edge, and this edge. So we are going to validate this and okay. Now we're going to leave the 3D sketch. Now once we leave the 3D sketch, we're going to take this right plane so we can add a circle here. So we're going to take a circle over here, so hit here. So we're going to give let's say the dimension of our circle. So why not make it let's say just like 5, okay, let's say 4 millimeters. So after this, we're going to validate this and we are going to leave the sketch and we are going to go to swipe both base and we're going to zoom this out. So we could select this circle. Now below, we are going to select the whole of our structure. So once the structure is selected, we're going to validate this and see what we're going to obtain. So this is what we're going to obtain after doing just that. So now what we need to do next is we're going to choose the, now we're going to select the front plane. So select the front plane. We're going to zoom this out so we could see what we are drawing. So now I'm going to get a circle. So circle. Now I'm going to draw a circle over here and let's try to modify its dimension. So here let's say 3.5. We're going to allow this at, let's say 3.6. so 3.6. so okay, now we're going to validate this, and we're going to go to extruded boss base. So we are going to reduce this, and we don't want it blind, so we want to take up to the next let's say surface. Now I'm going to choose the surface I want it to go up to. So this is what we're going to obtain. I'm going to validate this. So this is what we are going to obtain. Now we are going to go to view, and we're going to display temporal axis. So now I am going to select this. So I'm going to go to linear pattern, so we could multiply this. So I'm going to select this direction, so it's going to fill all this space. So let's say this distance that we are giving 10 is not enough, so let's say we are giving a distance of, let's say 13, and see what happens. Same, 13 is not enough, we're going 15. 15 is still not enough, so we are giving a distance of what are we going to give as a distance? Let's say 20. 20 is big enough, so let's say 18 should be okay. Yes, 18 is okay. Now this is what we're going to obtain here totally. So this, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the structure. So I'm going to reduce this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror. Now this is we're going to discover that this is half a oven rack. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom this. I'm going to select this surface, and I'm going to go to budget, to mirror, click anywhere. So once you do this, and once you click anywhere, you're going to obtain a result. Now this is what we're going to obtain. Now sorry, my laptop was kind of slow, but this is what we're going to obtain. After this, we're going to validate this, and this is what you're going to see. So once that is chosen, this is what you're going to see. So now if we observe this very well, it looks like our oven rack. So thank you once more. This is Eduardo Agbo. Please like this video, subscribe, comment, please subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.